I'm Bert Swets, Vice President of the Marine and Technical Operations. At Disney Cruise Line, we are extremely proud of our state-of-the-art ships. Guests always ask about the engine room. It powers and propels this massive ocean-going vessel. We put together a brief tour to take you below deck and down into the ship's engine room. We hope you enjoy it and welcome aboard.
The ship is equipped with 5 diesel generators, 3 V12s configured in the forward engine room, capable of producing 14.4 megawatts of power. That's equivalent to 19,000 horsepower per engine. And 2 V14s in the aft engine room, capable of producing 16.8 megawatts of power, equivalent to 22,000 horsepower per engine. That's over 100,000 horsepower powering the ship. Each engine cylinder has approximately 108 liters of capacity. That's roughly 60 times bigger than the average car's engine cylinder. And each engine has a separate lubricating oil system that uses about 650 gallons of lube oil every week. There are 2 separate switchboards, one for each engine room, which distribute the ship's power to all the machinery on board. Each one is capable of providing propulsion independently of the other engine room. The propulsion shaft is 170 feet long, that's half a football field, and turns propellers that are almost 18 feet in diameter and weigh nearly 22 tons each. The telegraph controls main propulsion by determining the propeller shaft revolutions for speed and in which direction. Additionally, there are 5 thrusters capable of rotating the ship on its axis and moving it sideways. Each thruster unit weighs more than 6.5 tons and generates 4,000 horsepower. That's roughly the same as 200 family sedans. The fuel oil tank gauge is similar to a gas gauge, except that this tank holds 3,300 tons of diesel fuel. Auxiliary boilers are used to generate steam only when there's not enough available from the exhaust gas boilers. Careful use of the boilers is required to maximize fuel efficiency and economy of the power plant.
The other aspects of the engine room are that we supply all the facilities to keep the hotel operating. That means we have to produce water, we have to produce steam, and we have to produce air conditioning. All of those things go to make our guests comfortable. We have the capability of producing 2,000 tons of water a day. At the present moment, I'm standing beside one of our 4 water making facilities. This is an evaporator. This machine uses the waste heat from the engines and also maybe the waste heat from the boilers to produce water. We create a chamber in which we make a vacuum, and in the vacuum we boil the seawater, which boils at about a 70 degrees C, which produces steam, and then we condense the steam and turn it into potable water. And we also use the steam to provide hot water and cooking facilities for the galley, as well as washing facilities for the laundry. The engineering department team consists of 95 people. They come from all over the world, and they bring with them many, many skills. We have electrical engineers, we have mechanical engineers, we have air conditioning engineers, and our general crewmen fill the positions that do the field work, particularly related to machinery.
It takes a massive power plant with a state-of-the-art engineering operation to propel this 1,115-foot long, 128,000-ton vessel at its cruising speed of 22 knots, and makes the Disney Fantasy a top-of-the-line high-seas performer for Disney Cruise Line. Thank you for joining us on our tour of the engine room. Now it's time to go above deck and enjoy the rest of your cruise.